Lemko Language Lessons, Lesson 11 Supplemental, Demonstrative Pronouns, Adjectives, and Possessive Pronouns in the Dative Case. Here's some extra information related to Lesson 11 Dative Case. Demonstrative Pronouns in the Dative Case. Tot, meaning this for masculine nouns, becomes tomo, tomo. Tota, meaning this for feminine nouns, becomes te, te. Toto, meaning this for neuter nouns, becomes tomo, tomo. Tota, meaning these, becomes tum, tum. Tamtot, meaning that for masculine nouns, becomes tamtomo, tamtomo. Tamta, meaning that for feminine nouns, becomes tamte, tamte. Tamto, meaning that for neuter nouns, becomes tamtomo, tamtomo. Tamta, meaning those, becomes tamtum, tamtum. To, meaning this, that, or it, becomes tomo, tomo. Adjectives in the dative case. Now we will go over adjective endings in the dative case of 4 adjectives we've learned in a previous lesson: hardej, dobrej, syniej, and tichej. Let's begin. Hardomo, hardomu. Hardij, hardij. Hardomo, hardomu. Hardem, hardem. Dobromu, dobromu. Dobry, dobry. Dobromu, dobromu. Dobrem, dobrem. Syniomu, syniomu. Syniej, syniej. Syniomu, syniomu. Synim, synim. Tychomu, tychomu. Tychej, tychej. Tychomu, tychomu. Tychom, tychom. Note, for adjectives whose final consonant before the ending is zh, sh, ch, s, r, or l, the feminine dative ending is I, not E. For example, mudra žena, meaning smart wife, becomes mudrý ženi. Possessive pronouns in the dative case. Let's learn how to say the different possessive pronouns in the dative case. First, we will start with the masculine. My is mojomu, mojomu, or alternatively, momu, momu. Your singular is twojomu, twojomu, or alternatively, twomu, twomu. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yea, yea. Its is yoho, yoho. Our is nashomu, nashomu. Your plural or your formal, vashomu, vashomu. Their is ich, ich. Next, let's go on to the feminine. My is moi, moi. Your singular is twoi, twoi. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yay, yay. It is yoho, yoho. Our is nasze, nasze. Your plural or your formal is wasze, wasze. There is ich, ich. Next, let's go on to neuter. My is mojomu, mojomu. Or alternatively, momu, momu. Your singular is twojomu, twojomu. Or alternatively, twomu, twomu. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yay, yay. It is yoho, yoho. Our is nashamu, nashamu. Your plural or your formal is vashamu, vashamu. There is ich, ich. Lastly, let's move on to plural. My is moim, moim. Your singular is twoim, twoim. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yay, yay. It is yoho, yoho. Our is nasham, nasham. Your plural or your formal is vasham, vasham. There is ich, ich. Notice that for his, her, its, and their, the possessive pronoun does not change in the dative case. This concludes Lesson 11 Supplemental.